Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Craftsman Key is probably one of the most overlooked components of your lawn care arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Craftsman lawn mower keys, exploring why they're essential, and how to choose the perfect one for your machine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this video will equip you with the knowledge to keep your lawn mower running smoothly and securely. Number 5. AYP Husqvarna Craftsman Lawn Mower Ignition Switch. Is your lawn mower not starting? This ignition switch is a perfect replacement. It's designed to get your mower running smoothly again. This switch features 4 positions: stop, mow, in, and reverse. It has 7 terminals for easy installation. Please note, it does not have a headlight control setting. This ignition switch replaces OEM numbers like AYP 193350, Arians 21546319, and many more. Please check your part number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Made from high-performance ABS and high-quality brass, this switch offers safety, durability, and excellent conductivity. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. Replacing your old switch is quick and easy. Simply unplug the wire connector, remove the old switch, and install the new one. It takes just minutes to get it done. The package includes the ignition switch, 2 keys, a mountaineering ring, and key rings. Everything you need to get your mower started is included. What we like. This ignition switch offers a 4-position functionality, ensuring you have complete control over your mower. Made with high-performance ABS and brass, it's built to last. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. Craftsman Lawn Mower Key works perfectly. The key is exactly what I needed to get my mower running again. Number 4. ROP Shop Ignition Switch Keys for John Deere. Are you looking for new ignition switch keys? This is a set of 2 keys from ROP Shop. They are designed to fit various models. These keys are compatible with John Deere, Sears, Craftsman, AYP, MTD, and many more. It's a versatile solution for your needs. For detailed specifications, please refer to the second image. It provides all the necessary information about the product. The package includes 2 ignition starter switch keys. They come exactly as shown in the first image. You'll receive everything you need. These keys fit most Delta ignition switches. To ensure a perfect fit, confirm your OEM part number and unit details. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This product comes with 2 keys, providing a convenient backup. It's designed to fit most Delta ignition switches, making it a versatile option. If you need a simple key replacement solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I tried both on my new ignition switch and they both smoothly fit and started up my tractor. These keys are the exact duplicate for the garden tractor ignition. These keys fit and worked perfectly. Number 3. AYP 532140403 Lawn Mower Ignition Key. This is a genuine Husqvarna replacement part. It's designed to the original specifications and ensures a perfect fit. You can trust it for reliable performance. The ignition key is brand new and comes in bulk packaging. This means it's ready for use and has not been previously used. It's a fresh, reliable component. This is also a genuine Craftsman replacement part. It's made to the same high standards as the original. It will help you get your lawn mower running smoothly again. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct part number. This ensures you get the right key for your specific model. Proper installation is also important for optimal function. Please check the compatibility list to confirm this key works with your lawn mower. This will help to ensure that it is the correct part for your machine. Make sure it fits before you install it. What we like. This is a genuine Husqvarna and Craftsman replacement part, ensuring quality and compatibility. It comes bulk packed, ready for use. If you prioritize using original parts for your mower, you should consider this. What people say. The key fit perfect, started my mower right up, it was worth the money, and great quality workmanship on the key. Worked great. When I came across this key I was really hoping it lived up to its claim of universal fit. And it did. So was able to get the yard cut, then 2 days later found the original key under the TV stand. Glad I now have 2 keys that fit. Number 2. Tecreddy replacement key for Cadet MTD. Are you tired of losing your lawnmower key? This replacement key is compatible with Cadet, Troy-built, Craftsman, and MTD riding mowers. It's a reliable solution to keep your mower running. This key works with a wide range of models, including Cadet GT, SLT, LTX, and LT series. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your specific mower, ensuring easy starting. This key replaces multiple part numbers, such as 625-05000 and 925-1745A. This makes it a versatile replacement option. You can be sure it will work with your mower. Keep a spare key on hand for emergencies. This 2-pack ensures you always have a backup. It's a smart way to avoid downtime. Each pack includes 2 high-quality replacement keys, key rings, and a carabiner. The key is as good as the original at a lower price. It's a great value for your money. We offer 24-hour online service for any questions about the key. Contact us anytime for assistance. We are here to help you. What we like. This product comes with 2 keys, providing a convenient backup. It is compatible with Cadet, Troy-built, Craftsman, and MTD mowers. If you want a spare key and peace of mind, this is perfect for you. What people say. Keys work perfectly. They fit for my Cadet. Works perfectly on our Cadet zero-turn lawnmower. Thinking we were gonna have to pay a lot for an original key, we were very pleased with the cost of these replacement keys, especially considering you get 2. The keys seem sturdy and the guard seems like it will last as well. Number 1. JEENDA Lawn Mower Ignition Switch Keys. Are you tired of struggling with your lawnmower's ignition? These keys are designed to be a perfect fit. They are a reliable solution to get your mower up and running. These keys work with a wide range of lawn mowers. They are compatible with Husqvarna, John Deere, Sears, and many more. You can easily find the right fit for your machine. The keys are designed to replace multiple part numbers. This includes numbers like 140403, 532140403, and AM123426. It ensures that it will work with your specific model. These keys are compatible with a variety of models. This includes Husqvarna YTH series, John Deere D series, and many others. It's designed for a wide range of lawn tractors. Installing these keys is simple and straightforward. You can quickly replace your old or lost key. Get back to mowing your lawn with ease. What we like. This key is compatible with a wide range of Husqvarna, John Deere, Sears, Craftsman, and other mowers. It is built to last. If you have multiple mowers or need a key that works across different brands, you should consider this. What people say. Works perfectly for my Husqvarna mower. Fit perfect. Worked great for my Ariens Zero Turn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.